How to transfer money with Macquarie Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can transfer money with Macquarie Bank. So to do that, first of all, open the Macquarie Bank app and simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the Pay and Transfer tab on the bottom left side of your screen. After that, under Pay and Transfer, you will see various options over here such as Pay to Account, Pay to PayID, Pay Anyone, or International Money Transfers. So if you want to send money to someone, you'll have to basically go to either Pay to Someone or Pay to PayID. Now if you use Pay to Account, you'll have to enter their details such as BSP and account number, and if you do Pay to PayID, you will need their email or mobile number or ABN. Now in this case, you'll have to basically choose from which account you will be sending your money from and to whom you will be sending your money to, the amount, the description, and when. After that, once you tap on the option continue, you will have successfully sent money to someone. And now if you want to send money within your own account, so that is basically how you transfer money to someone on Macquarie Bank. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.